Hello, it's Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with
Berniece. Hi.
So we're gonna redo the Cruel War is Raging tutorial for Berniece to practice with at home because I didn't play the piano part the way she's supposed to play it. I played it the way I would play it, so this is the official way. Do you want singing with it or just by itself?
Can you do both?
Yeah, well, I think so.
Because that helps me.
Yeah, okay, so I don't remember. Did we just do this for the intro?
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. So hopefully I did the right thing that time where your left hand is just going to play G, D, or C, and you hold it for 2 beats. The cruel war is raging, Johnny has to fight, like that.
Okay.
Yeah. I usually play, you could try this if you want to, but I usually play, let's see, I don't know if I can get my hand. And this is what you'll do eventually. I play an octave, and I play like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that, so my thumb plays on the offbeat. The cruel war is raging. So that it makes it more like substantial, you know, but this is better. It's better to be simple and perfect and precise than to be fancy and sloppy. Okay. So if you can master the simple way first, then you can do the fancier way later.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? You think, is that good?
I think, yeah,
sorry, I did still make some
mistakes.
mistakes. I just don't know the song, and it has so many words. It's hard for me to read all of them. And since we changed the chords, it's also hard for me to sometimes be like, which chord was it that I wrote there?
Yeah, that did help a lot because
Okay.
I just was confused.
If it's still confusing, I could do another one next time after I know it a little bit better.